Hey guys, welcome back to the Nifty 50 page kit series. We are down to our last 10 kits we have to make. I cannot believe it, only 2 videos left. So let's just jump right in. This looks like the leftovers from a scrap room page kit that I had. I used to belong to that kit club, and this is like a set of coffee embellishments. It is from the Coffee and Friends collection from Echo Park. So I have a lot of the sticker sheet left, and this is going to take care of die cuts for me. I don't really see how I can make a title, but it'll take care of die cuts. And I have a piece of basil textured cardstock in white. I brought in this piece of wood grain cardstock, and then literally I just have scraps left from this collection when I used it a few times. And I have a few die cuts. So I have plenty of flat things. So what I need to do is look at my bin really quickly and see if there's anything I like in here for a title. And I mean, the first thing I see that actually makes some kind of sense to me is I like this set of alphabet stickers. They are chipboard. Now I have 2 sets of them, but I'm only going to put in one. I do see E's and stuff, and it'll stretch me to have to try to come up with a title. So I have flat things and chipboard. So far so good. Let's see. Oh, and I have enough of die cuts, and I have a banner, and I have all kinds of stuff. I'll probably bring in trim for the banner at some point. Not a big deal. Now the first bumpy thing I see that I like is a set of Jen Hadfield homemade wood button embellishments. Because there's so much deep brown in this, I can go ahead and bring that in. So that's kind of awesome, because that's just been kicking around for a day, I'm telling you. Now let me see if I have any puffy anything that would work. This is the wrong tone. I'm looking through, and you can't even see it that well. See, I tend to really like bright colored things, so you know that gets to be a problem when I have stuff like this. I love those. Let's have them out front and center. Now these really bright pieces, oh, that needs to be seen and get put onto something. Now this would be a really great, ooh, I'm switching it out, guys. Look at how pretty this rosy gold looks like for a title with this deep brown. Okay, I'm super digging that. So I have this, I have flat pieces for die cuts. I've got a title. I've got some die cuts as well. So yeah, I kind of chucked my alpha really quickly when I saw how nice that looked together, and that's fine. So, I mean, aside from putting in some enamel dots or something, this is kind of coming together, like it came together super, super nicely. I'm wondering about putting in a set of these bows. I don't even know which color, because there are brown and black that work with this. Not the bronzy color, and there's also white. I'm going to put those bows in, and I'm going to call this page kit Done. I think that is cute and fun and perfect, and I am liking how it came together. Guys, I love making page kits because I have Amy Tangerine, Jen Hadfield, I've got Echo Park, I have One Canoe 2, Basil, and random page kit all in one kit to make just one page kit. And I think that is awesome. I'm looking at my mail lady. She's driving super slow, and I'm wondering what she was doing. Don't know. Okay, let's see what our next page kit will be. Oh, guys, this one's really pretty. Okay, hold on. Let me get it out and I'll show you. So this is another one of those scrap room page kits, guys. And I've got the better part of a sticker sheet. It's Photo Play Wild Honey. And I think the colors are super, I mean, they're super awesome. Love them. So I've got the better part of a sticker sheet, right? I've got this for a background. And this right here, this is from My Mind's Eye Meow. I'm just using the black and white side. This side is, actually it's floral and cute, but it's not gonna match. Then I have just different scraps from the collection when I used it before. So I have plenty of things I can punch and whatnot. I still have a couple of die cuts as well as this cute balloon die cut. Great. Let me see if I easily see a title. I see like the word honey or fun, but it feels like I need to bring in a little something else. And I'm wondering, I'm going to try to talk a little bit louder. If I can find a black set of thickers super quickly and just throw them in. Let me just grab a few black so that, because I know black is so easy to use and I'm running out of thickers from, yeah, boom. I'm running out of thickers from my, I'll put those two together. From my, sorry, not thickers. I'm running out of alphas from kind of my wonky ones that I don't have in with my thickers. So I have flat pieces, but I can also pop them up on dimension. I've got an alpha. I've got some die cuts. Great. Now, since you guys know I'm on the Boa Palooza right now, trying to use some up, let me go ahead and put that bow there. I can put, I'll put the three blackish ones. I'll just go ahead and put it right on top of my alpha. Not a big deal. Now I just kind of have a silver bow set. Look at that. I already have enough die cuts. I have this. I doubt that I'm going to find puffies that are going to work well with it, but I am willing to look in my puffies. Let's see. That has, oh, guys, a lot of these colors work. Like that's navy, but it looks black. And a lot of this blue works. I'm going to see if I can add that in. Oh, guys, and these aren't part of it. I just want to use these on something. I'm trying to remind myself like that those will look so cute on something. I don't know what. Okay, I'm going to try to use some of these. These are from Fancy Pants Dream Big, and I bought them in 2018 from Tuesday Morning. I can imagine how old the collection. Oh, it's a 2017 collection. Okay, that is number 2 page kit for today. Check. Now, let's see. Let us see, my friends. So this will be huge because I mean there's so many stickers left on that sticker sheet that we can really try to play it up. That would be fun. Now let's see what the next one is. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, it's another coffee one. Okay. So this is one that I was having a bit of a struggle getting inspired by. So I have I haven't used any of this collection pack. So I have the entire sticker sheet. It has border stuff, little words, all of that. These will take care of all of my die cuts. No problem whatsoever. This looks like my youngest or my oldest daughter. That looks like my youngest daughter. So I've got a nice mauve piece right here. Some fun like colored bits. And then I have this floral. So super pretty. Now, nice deep black here. Let me see if, yeah, I can just go ahead and put those in right away from just the few I just grabbed because black is so easy to use. So I have good title bits. Great. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and look in this little bin. I mean, these colors are like mauve and like dusty kind of colors. So let's see. I mean, these are like the right kind of tones, except for those purpley bits that I have left over just aren't in there. So let's see. Super pretty, but not the right tones again. I love it that I'm running low on embellishments, guys, which is kind of weird to say, but makes me happy. Let's see. Some of these are supposed to be in the other things. How about a couple of doilies? Why not? Ooh, see, these puffies are supposed to be with the other puffies. Oh, we can make one of those work. Like, how did I get puffies in 2 places? Well, I guess while I'm going through it, we can remedy that, right? So none of these belong in here. They're like naughty puffies. Okay, but I will have good word bits. I've got all kinds of doilies in here because I just fling them in as I go. And I have a little bit of chipboard left, not a whole lot. And these are all, guys, these are all like word bits. You know, like things that have all these tiny words on it. I'm like, yikes. My problem is I like those kind of things so much that, yeah, they're taking over. Okay, so I don't really need anything flat there, but let's see. You know, a lot of these chipboard pieces will work perfectly that are in here. So that will be my bumpy bits that we can add. So that adds my bumpy bits. I don't need any more flat stickers. And I think just a couple of enamel dots, and this is going to be a great page kit now that we've brought it together. Now I have a really cute picture of my youngest daughter bringing me a coffee for my birthday, and this might be like awesome with that. So that is number 3. So have you guys found that when you're putting your page kits and things together, like you'll end up just finding things that match so well that you would have never ran and grabbed unless you were doing page kits intentionally. It's something I really enjoy doing. I just do. Okay, let's see. This one is going to be a kitty kit. Go me. Because I have all of this My Mind's Eye Meow line that I got in a warehouse box. And oh my goodness. So white with black. I've got really fun polka dots and then one with kitties. And my husband has kitties. We have Bob and Earl in the house. So that will work. Very kitty focused. Now, I'm trying to find stuff that this will work with, but the pinks are just too different. I'll find something. I just have it to the side. I am waiting. All right, I'm putting this in because I can use the black or white, I think. My embellishment, my bows are dwindling, which I love. Okay, now the first thing is I need to go get I think I'm gonna go look for more black alphas. Really quickly, I know that you don't hear me as well right now, but it'll be fine. It will be fine, hold on. I'm just going to grab a little stack. Okay. And while I was doing that, I found the alpha that went with these pieces that I'm holding out with over here, so I just thought I'd throw it with it. Okay, foamy black alpha. Super, super, super easy, right? I've got bows. I have paper. I need something else. So let's see if any, nope. Too fall. Those are pretty. The pink is super similar. Too pretty. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put that die cut pack in, which that is bringing in some of the green. It's not spot on. It's not as pea green, but it does have some. And it has this really nice peachy color. So I'm going to go ahead and add that if you want to see what they look like. They're Felicity Jane Catherine die cut shapes. That's fine. And now let's look to see if we have any bumpy bits that we can get in here at all. And the thing is, like, yeah, my thing with liking brighter colors is making this a little complicated. This has some of that green in there, but not, like, I see a dog doing, like, a thing. Oh, but it does have a kitty. It has some books. Okay, I'm going to put it in just because there's a kitty. Like, seriously, that's my whole reason, everybody. Trying to make it work. Okay, so... And then the next thing to do is see if I could have like a happy kitty and I have a bunch of pink. Okay, so I have chipboard, I've got foam, I've got die cut shapes, and this is like cardstock chipboard, a bow, and some puffies. Perfect page kit. Ta-da! Ta-da! So, what else? Let's see. What else is going on? So one of my daughters is off to Nashville for a bachelorette party, not her own. One of my daughters is off to Traverse City to enjoy northern Michigan because it's stunning up there. It's super warm and sunny here, so hopefully I can just have kind of a chill, warm weekend. My puppy, and I filmed this like way ahead of time, so, you know, times might be off from, you know, when we've talked about other things. My puppy had surgery yesterday to neuter him, so he is recovering, and I'm just kind of watching out for him today. I feel like really bad for him. All right, so this is more of that My Mind's Eye Meow collection. I've got this really great floral. I've got wonky stripes and a black cardstock. Now, I love pea green. If I had a pea green alpha, I would be amazed. Now, I don't feel like I have a pea green alpha though. So let's go ahead and bring in this alpha right here. This is called Christmas in the Village. It's glitter chipboard letter stickers. They are black chipboard with gold glitter on the inside. Easy, easy, easy. I don't care that it says Christmas. We're not going to use the Christmasness. And what I see already is this collection works perfectly. It says the word sister, who knows? But it has pea green and it has the peach. Now, I'm not going to use the girl in it because her colors are so off. But the rest of it, oh, it says sister and friend. So if I could use like either one of those words and this, I could have a really cool title. Now I already have the cardstock stuff, so that's going to be fun. And what else? What else? What else? What are the chances that I'm going to have puffy anything that works with the pea green? Like, I love these, but they're super vibrant. And same thing. Colors are just a little bit too oomph. Then I have, you know, Chamel, too bright, of course. How about you? Do any of your, oh, does have these little pieces in it, like the pea green pieces that actually work as well as that peachy tone. So those can go in. Who'd have thunk? Okay, that takes care of my puffies. Now, I need maybe some flat pieces. Let's see. I have these stickers and, oh, there's a kitty in them. But I do have some of these flat stickers. Let's see if I can use any of them because they have some of that peachy color. It's not great. If I find something better, we'll go with it. But for now, things are not much better. Ooh, I like those word bits in this citron green color. So those will work. And if I don't, I mean, I have this whole thing, guys. That's a big enough kit. Like, it's pretty darn good. So that will be page kit number 5 for today, guys. So I only have 5 more kits to do before I get to start creating with these great kits. So if you guys have any questions about what else to do with scrapbooking or how I put my kits together or my thought process, any of those kind of things, go ahead and leave it down below and I will answer you guys as soon as I can. But that is all for now, and I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video.